Yes, and welcome back to another episode with me, Luke. So in today's episode, I'm going to jump straight into the Bitcoin price in just a second. Going over to crypto bubbles, we can clearly see that today is a fantastic day in the altcoins. That's because Bitcoin has been going up quite significantly over the past several days. So expect altcoins to continue their pump, and most of them will go up even higher as we go over the next couple of weeks or so when Bitcoin finishes its pump, or just after Bitcoin pumps, usually 2-3 weeks, like I mentioned in yesterday's video. So congratulations to all those that have altcoins. Let me know which altcoins in the description below you're buying, investing in, or maybe you're not buying anything at the moment because you're waiting for a red day, the sales, to buy more crypto. So just one piece of advice: when you see pumps like this, again, not financial advice, it's just what I do. I don't buy anything. I just let the market ride. The only time I start buying, okay, you can dollar cost average into projects that you're already DCAing into, for sure. But the best thing to do, my personal opinion, is to wait for those red days when we have those pullbacks. It's a bit more difficult to buy when you see something in the red. It's psychological. We see something in green, we want to FOMO into it and just buy when the prices are high. So the best thing, if you want to buy more crypto, to get more coins in whatever projects you're going for, then just wait for the pullbacks. Wait for those 15, 20, 30% pullbacks. That's when you DCA into these projects again, and then wait for those green days like we're seeing today and over the past couple of weeks. So yeah, altcoins are doing pretty well, purely because Bitcoin has been pumping quite epically over the last couple of days, the 2 weeks or so. So yeah, where are we heading? Well, if you followed me, watched my video yesterday, I drew this resistance line at 50k, well 50, almost 52k, let's say, and we've got resistance there. Yeah, we've got not a lot of resistance because we haven't really gone above 50k that many times in Bitcoin's history. So yeah, I'm expecting not to go in a straight line. We could do, we've pretty much been going in a straight line since last September. We did have this boring period here when everybody lost interest, and then that's what happens. People lose interest and all of a sudden Bitcoin goes on a rampage. So I am expecting a pullback at some point. I don't think we'll go to my price target of 60k straight away. I would love to be wrong and we just go straight there. Again, if you got this trade, then congratulations. You would be up right now. If you took this trade, like I said, you'll be up about 14%. So again, you have Bitflex, Bybit in the description below. If you want to go long, if you want to go short, you can do whatever you wish. But you've got the links in the description below if you want to trade this. So what am I seeing? Well, again, if you looked at my video yesterday, I got the Bollinger Bands out, and we are we've overextended on the Bollinger Bands on the daily. So I am expecting a pullback at some point, possibly this week, maybe towards the end of the week or over the weekend. I would not be surprised. Now we're at this key resistance back here at 50k, all the way up to 51,900. So we're at this, like, let me draw a box. Where's the rectangle? So if I go from here to here, we've got this, we're in this zone now of critical resistance. There's not a lot of resistance. Like I said, Bitcoin hasn't been over these prices that often, only twice really, with the double top. So yeah, so just bear that in mind. If you want to long the market, maybe it's not the best thing to do right now. Maybe just wait for that pullback, or wait for a W pattern. If we go to the daily, let's see what it looks like on the daily. There we go. Sorry, my internet is not too good where I'm working today, so maybe W, yeah. So we're just forming a little red candle now at the moment. So maybe just, again, you do as you wish, not financial advice or anything, wait for that pullback, maybe down to the 46,891 level. So this resistance, well, support it will be, and then if you want to get your trading for that next leg up higher, you could do. So yeah, I mean, again, you do as you wish, but just pulling out the not the Bollinger Band. What did I want to look at? Not the volume. I think it was the Bollinger Band on the daily we looked at yesterday. Just the internet's a bit slow. Yeah, so we came out, like I mentioned yesterday, and we'll probably come back into this channel inside the Bollinger Bands quite soon. So yeah, we've been pumping quite heavily. Let's just switch back to the weekly. I mean, it's phenomenal how fast Bitcoin moves, and like I mentioned in yesterday's video, we're only a 2x away from that six-figure Bitcoin. So again, Bitcoin leads the way. Next, you will see, well, we're seeing it right now, altcoins pumping, but they will pump a lot more as Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is taking a breather at this point, or even if we pump higher, then we come back down and consolidate, then expect the altcoins to start pumping a lot more. So these micro cap coins, if you're not in them already, then maybe start thinking about, you know, jumping into some altcoins of your choice, of course. I've got mine. If you want to know what altcoins to go for, you're not so sure, then again, leave a comment in the description below. Let me know what you're buying as well in the comment section below. I'm always interested in what you guys are buying. Personally, like I mentioned many times, looking at gaming and even looking at artificial intelligence, crypto, so anything in AI. So that's pretty much it for today. Another reason why Bitcoin has been on the rampage as well is probably because of the ETFs now that you can have in the Bitcoin ETFs. And this is just this is nothing in comparison with what we're going to see this bull cycle with the ETF news. I mean, last cycle we saw some epic pumps to 67k, and that was without the ETF approval. So now that we've got the ETF approvals, big institutions, more and more people, Bitcoin will become more and more widely adopted. Then we're going to see some epic upside to Bitcoin for sure. So let me know again in the comments below where you think Bitcoin is heading. Personally, a very conservative price for me. I think we're going to go way past the $100,000 mark this cycle, and we'll probably come all the way up to 150k. Some are even saying 300,000. I won't be surprised if we go to about 200,000 per Bitcoin this cycle, but just to be a bit more conservative, because I mean, it's very psychological as well. We haven't reached that six-figure Bitcoin ever. So just to reach a six-figure Bitcoin, it could be quite tough for Bitcoin, but I still expect to see 100,000 between 100, 150k around this region for the top. So let me know if you think we're going to see a blow off top, double top, triple top, if you think the cycle maybe might not rhyme with the last few cycles, if you think we might see a super cycle or another type of cycle, let me know your opinion on that. So that's pretty much it for today. Again, just highlighting that just be careful if you're trading, if you're going to go long. We are at some critical resistance right now, and on the Fibonacci retracement, I looked at the golden pocket, and it does bring us back down to the $46,500 level. So that's it for today, guys and girls. Enjoy, I mean, your profits. If you're in altcoins, just enjoy it. The more Bitcoin that you have, the better. If you are into altcoins and you've done like a 3 to 10x or maybe a 20x in some of these altcoins, just be careful, because they can drop very fast, quite quickly. So if you're, just one piece of advice, again, not financial advice, if you see one of your altcoins doing a 10x or even 5x, then maybe start thinking about putting that profit into Bitcoin, which is much safer in my opinion, or even into Ethereum as well. So make the profit, put it into ETH, put it in, get more Bitcoin, the better. So that's it for today. Enjoy your Tuesday, and I will see you for another video next time. And again, leave any comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, leave a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.